Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Google Chrome in Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Google Chrome, you need to first simply open a browser. So for that I have Microsoft Edge installed on my machine. So just simply open that, and in here just simply type Google Chrome download, then enter, and then you'll be seeing this Google Chrome download link. So just simply click on that, and this will automatically going to redirect you to this Google Chrome download page. In here you'll be seeing this button called download Chrome. So just simply click on that, and then you'll be seeing this Google Chrome setup is now currently downloading, and it is currently downloaded. So just simply click on this open file, and then you will be seeing the installer has been opened. So just simply click on yes to give administrative privileges, and then you are basically on your mark. So the Google is now currently downloading all these files at the back end. So you need to have an active internet connection right throughout this installation. So you can clearly see it's waiting to download, and it's now currently downloading, and you will be requiring about 3 to 4 minutes to completely download. So what we'll be doing is I'll be coming back after downloading Google Chrome. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see our Google Chrome download has been rightly completed, and it's now currently preparing to install, and it's now currently installing. So again it will take a while to install Google Chrome, and now as you can clearly see our Google Chrome has been rightly installed, and you can clearly see this desktop icon has also been created, and our program is also been opened. So what you can do is you just simply right click on it, on this icon, and you just simply pin it to taskbar, so that you can easily access your Google Chrome by just simply clicking on this icon in your taskbar, right? So your Google Chrome has been rightly installed, so you must be having a Google account. So if you have, you need to just simply click on this already Chrome user, so just simply sign in. Or if you don't have any Google account, then you need to just simply click on this get started. So these are the popular Google app, that is this Gmail, YouTube, Maps. All these apps are going to be automatically bookmarked. So if you wish that, so just simply check all this, and then just simply click on next. And now you can choose a background. So for me, I think this is a very good background, this cityscape. So just simply select that, and then just simply scroll down, and we'll be getting this next button. So just simply click on that, and now it's telling that whether we want this Google Chrome as our default browser. It is a very good browser, so it is always recommended to use Google Chrome. It has some privacy issues, but still I would say it is a pretty good browser to use. So you can always change this over here from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, and just simply click on this switch anyway, and just simply cancel it, and your Google Chrome is now basically your default browser. And as you can clearly see, our Google Gmail account, then YouTube, then Google Map has been rightly bookmarked on your Google Chrome browser. So your Google Chrome is everywhere. So just simply click on this continue. So that's basically mean after signing in, you will be able to sync all your account, starting from your phone to your laptop, desktop, or any other account or any other device, let's say, where you are basically using Google Chrome. So each and every device are going to be all synced. So for that you need to sign in with your personal Gmail account. So after signing in, you will be able to see that your account are get synced over here, right? So in this way you install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 operating system. If you face any difficulty, you can always comment in our comment sections. I am always there to help you. So that's basically all about this video. I have this website called geekysKit.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check out website geekysKit.com. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.